out at a Lazy Boy location. They had some recliners that they got that moved, and the mechanical parts leaked oil or grease onto the carpet. So they contracted us to get that out, and they were very specific that they just wanted to take care of that. And so Adam's already gone up and down this area a little bit, and then there's just a thin line of it that was over here. So we're panning out just a little further than where the lines are, because it's kind of a main traffic spot. But they basically just contracted us to get rid of these dark lines. And you can see it makes its way all the way down here and then loops to the front. That's right up here about 20 feet. And you can see that spot where it gaps right there. That's where I test cleaned, and it came right out. So we're just taking care of all this for them, and then their entry tile afterwards. So he already hit right in here, and it got rid of it. You can tell where he stopped. So we're moving over here and going to work our way back that direction, and then we have a little bit near their bathroom. Basically takes it right out. All gone. Oh God. Heavy tape residue. try one other thing. See if we can get that to come out. Alright, we got the tape residue to come out. Adam's working on another one over here that is almost completely gone. And then we'll be moving on to the tile. Alright, so now we're going to work on the tile. And this is the quick test clean I did the other day to secure the job. It's basically all this little almost full circle entryway. They moved all this out as we were working on the carpet. So we're going to get half of this treated and clean half at a time because they are open at this moment. So if clients come through, we can direct them to walk on either side of the path because they are not having us seal the grout. So they'll be able to walk on it shortly after because we'll flat mop this and dry it out before we finish. Alright, so we're getting close to being done with the tile. Now I put product down, we let it dwell, and we did a section, and it was not yielding satisfactory results. So in this particular situation, agitation made all the difference, and this grout does get a little darker when it's wet. So we ran the CRB over it, and it made a world of difference in how it was cleaning up. Normally, Grout Master does the trick with dwell time, but this floor hadn't been cleaned, and who knows? Employees couldn't tell me if it had been cleaned since they've been here. So that's a lot of impacted dirt, grease from off the asphalt in the parking lot. So putting some agitation to it prior to rinsing it changed the outcome. When I test cleaned it, I did a really quick test with the cleaner, and I used my drill brush with a red bristle brush, and it came off pretty easy. So I didn't think much of it because it's just like basically probably 98% of my other tile jobs I've done, literally dwell time would take care of it. But being that this is a commercial property, lots of traffic in and out, don't think they're using much besides maybe a steam mop or some kind of cleaning agent, maybe neutral pH, hopefully, to clean it. And I don't know how long this locust has been here, probably at least 5-6 years. So that tells you that it definitely was needed. Alright, so doing a mattress, and there's just a slight hue, you could see it, yellow discoloration. Young pet jumped on the bed and peed on it. So I'm going to be applying my pet treatment product to all of the affected area. Now this has been treated by the client with a over-the-counter product that they had, and baking soda has been put on here as well. I already vacuumed the remnants of that up, My goal is to try and get rid of the yellow discoloration. And see if anything remains from there. This product will evaporate on its own, so I can post-spray it if need be. So I'm going to let this dwell for a few moments so it can do its thing, and then I'm going to extract it using an acidic rinsing agent with my upholstery tool, and then I will repeat the process if needed. Pretty hard to see it now, but it's pretty much gone just from application and rinsing it out. The sooner you can get to this and soak it up, always the better. Even if you're having somebody come out and clean for you the same day, you get it out while it's fresh, or get majority of it out while it's fresh, you're less likely to have issues. Now, soaking it up is the most you really want to do, especially if you're going to have a cleaner out soon. That way, you don't risk setting it in to whatever the material is, whether it's carpet or a mattress. And then your cleaner will have a higher success rate of getting it out. Not the best lighting, but you can't see that hue anymore.